Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Here we have a table of values for x and f of x. The table above shows some values of a linear function f. If the difference between a and b is 9 and b is greater than a, what is the value of k? Okay, since the given function is a linear function, if I find slope using any 2 points from the table will be same. Okay, first let me find the slope of the linear function using the second point and the third point over here. So the second point is 0, 5 and the third point is 1, k. Actually, I've taken x value at first and the value of f of x. Actually, f of x means it's y. So y value next. Okay, now let me consider this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. And there is a formula to find the slope of a linear function m when 2 points are given. That is y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. So then I'm getting, so here k is y2, then k negative and y1 is 5. And x2 is 1 and x1 is 0. So then I'm getting m equals to k negative 5 over 1, which is equal to k negative 5. Okay, now I got the slope of the linear function using the second point and the third point. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to find the slope of the same linear function again using the first point and the last point, because these 2 points contains the constants a and b, and we have some information about a and b over here. So if I want to use the information over here, I must be finding the slope using the first point and the fourth point. Okay, now let me write the first point, that is negative 1 a, and the fourth point 2 b. Let me assume this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Again, the same slope formula, that is m equals to y2 negative y1. y2 means here it's b negative, and y1 is a, and x2 negative x1. So x2 is 2 and x1 is negative 1. Then I'm getting m equals to b negative a over 2. Negative times negative will become positive 1. Then I'm getting m equals to b negative a over 3. Okay, so this k negative 5 represents the slope of the linear function f, and this b negative a over 3 also represents the slope of the same linear function f. Since both of them represent the slope of the same linear function f, we can equate them and we have to solve for k. But if I equate both of them, still I'll be having the unknown constants b and a. I must be knowing the values of this b and a. So for that, we have to consider the information we have over here. That is, the difference between the two constants a and b is 9 and b is greater than a. So here the difference between the two constants a and b is given, that is positive value. So now to get the positive difference between a and b, what I have to do is I have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger value. So here the information says b is greater than a. That is, b is bigger and a is smaller. Then when I subtract the smaller value a from the bigger value b, I'll be getting the positive difference of these two values. So that is a positive 9. Okay, now I got the value of b negative a, that is 9. Now I can plug in 9 for this b negative a, then I'm getting 9 over 3. When I simplify this one, I'm getting 3. Okay, now I got the slope of the linear function f already, that is k negative 5. Now again I got the slope of the same linear function, that is 3. So both k negative 5 and 3 represent the slope of the same linear function f. So we can equate them, that is k negative 5 equals to 3. Now to find the value of k, I have to add 5 to both sides. When I do so, this negative 5, positive 5 will cancel. Then I'm getting k equals to 8. I got the value of k, that is 8. We find 8 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.